rugged mountains with incredible fire lookouts in some of the most remote areas in the lower 48 states. It's not without its challenges, though. Down trees, walking trails are common, so chainsaw is a must. If you go too early in the year, or if it's been a harsh winter,
You're also likely to run into huge snowbanks blocking your way. Too late, no forest fires, irresponsible campers, or summer lightning storms that will force you to turn around.
we were there in mid-July to take on the Idaho Backcountry Discovery Route, and we're not sure what would lie ahead. Would the reports of lingering snow be accurate?